Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for the scrap room, and I have a flavors of the month kit. It is all based on Simple Stories summer snapshots. So I have a complete unboxing on my channel, but quickly, the flavors of the month kits, you get 4 kind of samples of very current collections. So I have summer snapshots. This is called Take the Shot. This is Keep It Sunny. Look at the lemons. This one is Happy Days. And then we have 2 pieces of natural. And I'll show you in a second that I already cut out our cut file of the month out of it. I've got some foam pieces and then a nice little bit of ephemera. Now, the way I like to go about, and I'll show you this. The way I like to go about designing for the scrap room is I like to, guys, that's so stinking cute. Oh my word. Sorry. I like to start with the flavors of the month kit. Then I bring in the pattern paper kit. Then I go to the shots of life kit, and then I bring the embellishment kit. And the reason why I think it's kind of fun is you can kind of see if you get the flavors of the month kit, there's your layout, but then you can add to it, etc. So, and that's what I do. So I did go ahead and cut this out. Now there's lots of different elements we can use on this, guys. We have got an Instax with a cute little frame there and other little circle bits, interesting. We have got these little Polaroid little pictures, but my photo goes this way. So I don't know. Oh, I could use it if I go that way. I could totally do that because that would look cute. They would be like kind of wonky. Oh, that might be super cute. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Not worried about it. And then I've got the word snapshots down here. So I'm going to back my cut file off camera because I do not want to bore you guys to tears. And I kind of do it when I watch TV. I already see that I'm going to back my cut file though. I think I'm going to do it with this stripe. I love this stripe. I think it's so stinking cute. And then maybe the Instax camera would be really cute with these waves. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna have so much fun. So let me start backing this and I'll come back and show you where we are. Okay, guys, this is so stinking cute. Sorry, I have a cold. So I've got all of my pieces backed and I have them stuck down on a little bit of foam on my cardstock. How cute. So what I think I'm gonna do, since I have this really large foamy title that reads Sunkissed, I think I'm going to grab it. And I cut it off of these, the plasticky bits just so I can see it. I think I want it to read Sunkissed Snapshots, but I have it slightly overlapped. I think that'd be super cute. Then I have got all kinds of cute things. Now this, I don't need to use this on this layout. It's fine. But like this word memories, I can pop there and have it point to the girl. I have enjoy and a heart. Oh my gosh, look at this heart, guys. It's a little yellow heart. And I can put it right in the center. How cute. And then let's see. Oh, enjoy memories. Guys, come on now. Come on. All right, super cute. I'm gonna put that to the side for my next layout with this collection. Now let's take a look. I've got this really cute tabby piece. Let me get my Easy Runner and go boop. Got this really cute tab piece. Now I don't think I need to use all of it. So let me just go ahead and stick it in there. I like that deep, deep yellow color. That's like the deepest of mustard tones. So that's cute. We've got let me stick this up. I've got a little bit of Frankenstein foam left over from when I was popping up my title. Let's go ahead and pop that down. Well, I'll just leave it there. Chances are, well, now it's on my thumb, that I'll need it in a minute. So we can go ahead and pop that right there. Cute. Let's see what else we can do with it. Summer starts here. Oh my gosh. Sunkissed summer starts here. That would be cute, but I'm not going to have it pointing up, so it doesn't really work for my stitch. Now we've got lemon pieces there, so I'm of a mind to put some lemon pieces right here, have them stick up. What else? Soaking in the rays for days. That's super cute. Oh, we've got a little buggy. Little buggy. Then we have this piece. Wonder if I can tuck that. Oh, I can. I can tuck that underneath and have just a little bit of that aqua. Oh, what I didn't tell you is I did cut down my paper to 11 1/4 by 11 1/4. And I sincerely hope, ooh, look at this golden race. I sincerely hope that the pattern paper kit is going to have beautiful papers for me to use to back my cut file. Yes, I do. I'm going to pop that up on a little bit of a pop dot. Just a little dotty dot because I like lots of shadow. All right, that's so cute with the golden rays. Should that be like that or should we pop it like around? Like this. Oh, I like how it's kind of going around that golden rays right there. Cute. Okay, so that's it for these pieces. So next, I'm going to go ahead and get my pattern paper kit and see what we come up with. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and take, oh my gosh, I didn't get my Sunkissed piece down. I'm going to do it. The pattern paper add-on has summer snapshots, easy breezy, and summer stories. And I looked at this. All right, I definitely don't want this cream on cream like touching, right? I'll gut this piece. I know it's amazing, but see, it's, yeah. I need some separation. So then I looked at this piece and we've got this gorgeous tangerine as well as this deep grass green, but I'm thinking that this would be very bright and summery if we do this and have a bit of a thinner piece this time of the cream. I think that would be super cute. So I'm going to go ahead and double matte my paper with that. Now let's take a look while we're at it at the Shots of Life kit and see what the sitch is. Now this is a really full layout, so I don't even know what I'll be able to add, but I definitely want to see. Look at the ice cream cones. Ooh, I really like those ice cream cones. Okay, we are going to find a place for these cute little ice cream cones because they make me very happy. I'm wondering if I can have them stick up behind this because, you know, because you'll see the scoops and you'll know what the what. Oh, look at that Instax. Now, guys, I don't even know if I put this together right. I just really liked it. You know, I kept putting circles and circles and yeah, I liked the vibe of it. Who knows? Okay. Oh, guys, look at the seagulls. Oh, I might have to cut out a seagull. So I want one that is facing in that direction so I can pop it up here. So let me get, I need a single goal, as it were, a single seagull. All right, so let me fussy cut out my little girlfriend. She kind of sounded like girlfriend, so it's kind of funny to me. And then if I could get one facing that way, which won't be hard. There are many seagulls. And then I'm also thinking, since I'm on this little goal extravaganza, to have one down here by my title as well. That would be super cute. All right, guys. I wanted to show you, I grabbed a few stickers off this piece and I put them on a scrap of white cardstock. That's why I saved these funny little bits. Because I'm not quite sure where I want to put it. So that's going to give me the ability to move it around 1,000 times. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, get these pieces stuck down. I'm going to see how much room I have if I get summer fun on. I'm not quite sure. But guys, this is so darned fun. Okay, let me get all these pieces stuck down and then we'll go to the next. What do we have left? Oh, the embellishment kit. All right, so let's take a look. I went ahead and cut out the flowers. They're popped down. I've got my funny little seagulls, guys, executive decision. I decided not to use my ice creams because this summer fun banner just was so spot on. I had to use it. Anything else? I don't think I did anything else, you know, because we talked about all of the other things. Okay. Now, I'm trying to clean up my mess. I was just flinging things next to me because I was getting so excited. Okay, now let's look at, oh my goodness. Let's look at the embellishment kit. Wow. Okay. This could have taken care of any embellishing whatsoever. It is so cute. Okay, let's see. A little word would be perfect. Is there anything little? I don't know if there's going to be anything that little. We might just have to put little, oh, like little sunglasses right there. That'd be so cute. I'm going to have to pop them up just a tiny bit. I say that about everything. I need to get a little bit more of my, need a couple more of my strips. I used up all the little Frankenstein pieces that I had just sitting here. Okay, so we have that. And you can put the oh, guys, the sunglasses can go anywhere. They're just so stinking cute. But they can just be a little wonky, and they're on the tag. It's fine. And guys, if it looks darker, it is. We are in the middle of this rainstorm thing. Oh gosh, look, that reads hit the beach on this stack of seagulls. I'm seagulled enough, so we're not going to put more, but it is cute. But I have a potential for getting more florals. I don't even know if I have a proper spot. You know what I could do? I could do a little chop, a little choppy chop, and pop it there. Oh gosh, I'm doing surgery. I don't want it to fully stick. Let me get this pop dot under it so I can have a little bit of fun shadow. Voila. Okay, we have that. Now we've got this cute piece here that I can go ahead and stick here. Guys, I have so much fun popping the florals on. It's those finishing touches that bring the whole thing together. You're like, that's what I wanted to do. There is the vibe. Okay. So we have that. What else, guys? Is there anything else? We have that same floral is there. Ooh, look at this. That would be really pretty underneath these clusters right here. Might have to do a little bit of trimming and a little surgery to make it happen though. Let's see. And a little bit here. I don't know if this is going to go well or not. Okay, it's not. Guys, I'm trying to make it work, but that's just, oh, look at that. It lined up almost perfectly, this other piece. Weird. Okay, let's go ahead and pop. There we go. There we go. Now I can go ahead, put a pop dot under it. I think, guys, I'm almost done. There's some hearts on here that are pretty compelling. Go like that. There we go. Let's shove, shove, shove. Shove, shove, shove. Sorry about that. The hubs gave me a call. Okay, so let's see if there's anything else to put in here. I don't know. Ugh, I love the funny little seagulls. I think they're a riot. Okay, so we've got all of these great titles, guys. Look at this little worm. I don't need the wormy on this, but he is so cute. I think maybe 3 bright colored hearts, you know, in my clusters, and then this will be done. So guys, I am going to have down below the website for the scrap room so you can get your hands on the kits, you know, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. The blog has all of the design team stuff going on. And of course, the Facebook group has all of the challenges and what all kinds of subbies are doing and all that kind of stuff. So I will have all that down below, a few still shots to follow. And guys, aside from these little guys, this one is all wrapped up and it was so much fun. Bye for now, friends.